Yo, what is up, friends and fam on YouTube? So I just got this guy in here for my truck. It is the Dashcam power adapter. And I just want to show you guys every time I buy something cool or utilitarian. I just installed a Dashcam in my mom's Lexus and we ended up going this route, and it is a lifesaver, let me tell you. So this one was cool. I bought a different brand than the normal Dongar, I think, brand. This one was off Amazon. Reason I got it is because it actually came with some power cords. I didn't want to buy power cords separately, and this one also came with a secondary power box in case you wanted to plug anything else in. So I thought that the value was better in this one, even though they are the exact same price. Interesting. Huh. Cool. But yeah, this is the kit. I will put this in the description for you guys, so you guys can check it out if you wanted one. But I'm going to go ahead and install this in the truck. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and unplug my rear view mirror here. I counted the pins. I have a 16 pin, which is what this harness is. Just goes in between that and the mirror, and then it gives us an output for power, basically. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, folks, so there we have it. It looks a little bit like a mess right now, not terrible, but I did use one zip tie right here and another one just to put these two white plugs. The only qualms I have about this one is I could have used black plugs instead of white plugs just so everything tied in. But besides that, when this is hanging up there and I hide the cable more, it's just going to be awesome. So 2 thumbs up for me, basically. I guess you could tape those if you really wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and mount this thing. All right, guys, so that's it. It's all done. It's nice and factory-ish looking besides those 2 white plugs, but I'm super stoked with it. Like I said, I'll put the description of this one and the Dongar one in the item description, but you can go ahead and you can search your vehicle and they might have one, this specific company, but Dongar has a lot of them as well. So be sure to check both of them out. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and check out other videos on the channel. All right, everybody. Peace.